Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today, we're sharing an amazing juice recipe that's not only delicious, but also great for your kidneys. In this recipe, we're combining 5 powerful ingredients to create a supercharged juice blend. Here's what you'll need. Fresh ginger. This root is not only tasty but also packed with health benefits. Ginger helps with digestion, circulation, and cleansing the body of toxins. Garlic. Garlic is more than just a flavorful addition to dishes. It's a good source of vitamins and minerals, and it has antimicrobial and antifungal properties. Plus, it can reduce the risk of heart attack, has anti-cancer properties, and supports bone health. Red onion. This humble veggie is loaded with antioxidants and nutrients that are beneficial for overall health. Beetroot. Beetroot is a powerhouse of nutrients and is known for its detoxifying properties. It's great for cleansing the liver and other organs. Honey. Sweet and delicious honey adds a touch of natural sweetness to the juice while providing polyphenols, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. Simply blend all these ingredients together with water to create a refreshing and nutritious juice that's perfect for supporting kidney health. So, give this juice blend a try and give your kidneys the boost they deserve. Don't forget to follow us for more fresh and easy recipes. Cheers to good health.
Hey there, shake enthusiasts. Today, let's dive into the fantastic benefits of sipping on a delicious coconut milkshake. First off, coconut milk is rich in healthy fats that can help keep your heart happy and your body nourished. These fats are known as medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, and they can provide a quick source of energy for your body. Coconut milk is also packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, iron, and magnesium. These nutrients are essential for maintaining a strong immune system, supporting healthy blood circulation, and promoting overall well-being. But that's not all. Coconut milkshake is also incredibly creamy and satisfying, making it the perfect treat for any time of day. Whether you're enjoying it as a refreshing snack or a tasty dessert, you can indulge in its creamy goodness guilt-free. Plus, coconut milkshake is naturally dairy-free and vegan-friendly, making it a great option for those with dietary restrictions or preferences. So next time you're in need of a tasty pick-me-up, whip up a coconut milkshake and treat yourself to a creamy and nutritious delight. If you enjoyed learning about the benefits of coconut milkshake, be sure to follow us for more mouth-watering videos. Stay cool and enjoy your shake, top foods for losing weight. Finally, don't forget about whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats. These complex carbohydrates are packed with fiber, which can help regulate your digestion and keep you feeling full for longer periods. Plus, they're rich in nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a great choice for overall health and weight loss. By incorporating these delicious and nutritious foods into your diet, you'll be well on your way to reaching your weight loss goals and feeling your best. So why wait? Start making healthier choices today and watch as the pounds start to melt away.
Looking for a tasty and nutritious addition to your meals? Look no further than butternut squash. Butternut squash is a delicious and versatile vegetable that offers numerous health benefits. Here's why you should consider adding it to your diet. Firstly, butternut squash is packed with essential nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin C, and potassium. These nutrients help support overall health, boost immunity, and keep your body functioning at its best. Secondly, butternut squash is rich in fiber, which is important for digestive health. Eating foods high in fiber can help prevent constipation, promote regular bowel movements, and support a healthy gut microbiome. In conclusion, butternut squash is not only tasty but also incredibly nutritious. So why not add some to your next meal? Your body will thank you for it. And don't forget to follow us for more delicious and healthy recipes like this one.
Easy ways to slim down, your guide to losing body fat. Hey there. Today, let's chat about simple ways to trim down and lose some body fat. First up, focus on what you eat. Swap out sugary drinks and snacks for healthier options like fruits, veggies, and nuts. These foods fill you up without adding lots of extra calories. Next, try to move your body more each day. You don't need to hit the gym for hours. Just take short walks, play outside, or try some fun exercises at home. Moving more helps burn calories and speeds up fat loss. Lastly, get enough sleep. When you're tired, your body craves unhealthy foods and you're less likely to exercise. Aim for around 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to feel refreshed and energized. Remember, small changes can lead to big results over time. Stay tuned for more tips on reaching your health goals.